Hey, what's up, guys? This is the Crypto Ninja coming to you live from a tropical paradise. Now, guys, if you're brand new to my channel, definitely make sure that you like and subscribe, because on this channel, I'm showing you guys how to get buku bucks trading meme coins and how to avoid getting ultra fucking wrecked. Okay, I don't see many people explaining this, guys. Most people are just like, hop into this coin, it's hot, it's gonna pump, and they're getting all these subscribers and shit. Like, guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to fish. You can find these coins on your own. I don't really like shilling coins or talking about coins on YouTube. It's more like on X, because, if I'm in a coin, I like to talk about on X. So make sure that you're following me over on X. Now, I'm going to show you a pattern, okay? This happens on like 99.5% of all meme coins, guys. If you can learn pattern recognition, guess what, guys? You're going to become a better trader. Okay, I've been trading for a long time, guys. This is my third crypto cycle. And the rotation is extremely PvP, but once you understand the cycle, guys, you can make a lot of money. Okay, now basically, guys, I'm going to show you on this coin, and I call this wave one. Okay, wave one, that's not the best line, but it went right to the top. So we have wave one. This is the most impulsive. Okay, when the coin comes out, it's hyped up. You might be asking, why did this coin pump so hard? Or why? It's not even a candle, it's just a wick, right? Well, Doge tweeted this image, right? It had nothing to do with the coin. And a developer created a coin, and sure enough, Orangey and some other KOLs, they found out about it early, and what do? They all circle jerked each other into massive profits. As you can see right here, 33K, 32K. A lot of these guys got crap tons of crypto here. A lot of money made. Okay, so here's what happens. Okay, if you don't know how to do any of this stuff, guys, check out my free Meme Coins Mastery. Okay, it's a free course for now, and I don't know how much longer that's going to go on for, but there's going to be definitely some paid stuff. But it's been really sad because most people nowadays are freaking broke as hell. Yeah, back in the day, everyone was paying me $1,000 or more. Unfortunately, nobody even has hardly anything. But hopefully this will help you to stop losing money, and you can save money, and then you can start making money, okay? So we're using this tool right here, guys. You can actually star it. It's called the trend-based fib extension, okay? And it's pretty easy to use. And I'm going to show you this pattern on like 2 coins. Just go like this. Take it from here. You go from swing low to all the way up top, swing high, and then back down to here. Okay, down to the very bottom of that. Okay, now this coin was definitely just like super sketchy. Okay, and you can see I'm on 12-hour. Okay, so what happens is a lot of the retail, they come in here and they go, oh man, look at what's up. We got a bounce, brother. Got a bounce up in here. We're going to the moon, dog. So what this is, guys, it's a pump fake. Okay, now this is not a good example. This is a really bad example as far as how high it went, because typically they go like to 0.382. Now, I'm not saying like you should buy the dip, okay, because I'm going to show you this pattern, draw it out, but typically if you had bought in here, you could have scalped, usually to 0.382 and get the hell out. But this is a super dangerous trade, guys. Super dangerous trade. Okay, forget drawing the fib extension and all that. I'm just trying to show you guys what happens. It typically bounces the 0.382, but on this one, it barely bounced. It was basically what we call like a dead cat bounce. Okay, so this was a really fast one, and now look at it. It's ultra dead. It's never going to go up again. Okay, because this is attention rotation. It's an attention rotation PvP economy. Okay, so they all do this. They go up, they go like that. This isn't working too good. Let me just draw lines. This thing's too squiggly. Okay, so it goes like that. You get your initial pump. Okay, I'm gonna show you another example too. So I want you guys to like, get this in your brain. And then it comes down. You have your retracement. You have basically wave one. That's like all the hype, all the whales, all the KOLs, the liquidity. That's why you want to be tracking these guys, using Padre or Axiom. I'll have my links below. They both work really good. But you want to get in like right here. You want to be in wave one, guys. This is wave one, okay? Wave 2 is usually the pump fake or dead cat bounce. Okay, so what you're having here is you're having something like this. Okay, and a lot of people, they say, oh, my favorite influencer, my favorite KOL that dumps on my head, right? Everyone their favorite KOL. I don't have a favorite KOL. I just like to track them and see how much money they're making and, you know, follow their moves. And you can make a shit ton of money too, guys. That's how I made a crap ton of, you know, 6-figure trade on ACT last year and many other trades. Okay, so then this happens, right? Boom. Okay, so you got wave 1, violent impulse up. I'm talking like fresh coins, okay? And then you have this right here. That's everyone taking profits, all the KOLs, all the smart money. Okay, and then you have retail coming in here. And see, the retail, you guys, you're actually funding the KOLs' bank accounts. You're actually helping the KOLs and whales and people like me that know how to trade. You're helping us make more money by coming down here and going, oh, it's going to the moon. It's bouncing. It's like, no. They're going to be a pump fake or a dead cat bounce. And this one was more of a dead cat bounce because it barely moved, okay? So like most coins, let me try to draw this again. Most coins are just going to go up. This isn't working, man. Okay, forget it. Okay, so yeah, but that's what they do, guys. And then you go into this. Then you go into like this, right? You don't want to be in a coin here because once it gets to here, 90% of these coins, 95% of these coins are just either going to go like this and die. If it's a really good coin, okay, it could do this for like a couple weeks, right? Accumulate. But this wasn't a good coin. This is just some fucking rug pull. And then it'll go up eventually, right? But you do not want to get in here. You do not want to get in here unless you like know the coin is like super amazing and it's going to go to the moon eventually and you don't care about making money every day. You just want to wait in the trade. Then okay, be my guest. But I like to get right here. Wave 1, get the fuck out, make my money. Next. Okay. I'm going to show you one more example, okay? Let me show you another example, guys. Okay, and this is another one. This was the flavor of the week. Really sad what happened to this girl, but I just want to show you. Okay, so like this one, this was a longer one. This one actually lasted 4 days, okay? But when you see a coin that's going just like straight parabolic, okay, that's usually a sign that like, look at this, guys, straight up. If something goes straight up, it usually goes down, okay? 95% of the time, it's going to go down, right? Especially when you look at the candles, guys. Look at this, straight up, okay? Now, something like this, you know, you could have said it was going to bounce there, but let's just draw the fib again. But you don't even really have to mess with fibs, guys. Basically, you see a coin that's just gone parabolic and then it starts to bounce, then you know it's okay. So it was like right in here, okay? I'm not going to go off this one because it's too close to the top. Let's go down to this one. Okay, this one could have faked out a lot of people too. So let's draw the fib tracement again. Okay, swing low, swing high, and then down to the swing low. Yeah, see, this is terrible, guys. So if you got into this coin here and you're thinking like, oh, it's gonna bounce, look at this. If you look at this, actually let me draw a little better. Okay, say you bought like right down in here, right? It's not even hitting this line. Like you could have bought in right here. Like, okay, say you bought in here and you're just like, okay, I think this thing's gonna go to like 100 million or a billion. This is the new peanut. I seen people on the timeline saying, oh, this is the new peanut, man. This thing, oh man. People say the stupidest, dumbest shit, guys, just to make you hold it back, right? So look at, say you bought it down here, you drew your fib extension, right? And the coin goes up and yeah, you got in really good on this bottom here, sure, but it's got to be a scalp, right? This is definitely not a swing trade. So you got in down here after you draw your line, you're like, holy crap, it didn't even, you're going to see this red candle. You're not even going to get wrecked. Like if you know how to do these fib extensions, and I wouldn't even be trading off of these guys, like doing this is ultra dangerous scalping danger zone. But like say you did get into here, right? And you're watching it and you're like, dude, it didn't even get to 0.236. Okay, I gotta get the fuck out of here. Right? So you basically would have just made this little tiny little move here. Right? You would have got this little tiny little piece of profit right there, and then what happened? Die. So yeah, you gotta be careful with this, guys. Okay. This incites, or this invokes FOMO, guys. When a coin goes this crazy, right? This is, you do not want to be FOMOing into this, guys. You want to be getting way lower. Okay? But yeah, check out the meme coin mastery course, guys. You know, don't be FOMOing into stuff. And yeah, guys, it'll just help you become a better trader. Okay? This is another one that's doing really good. Yeah, this looks like another good one here. This one's doing really good. Okay, so actually, you can kind of set the targets on this one. I mean, I'm not saying to buy it, but remember, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. This is all on you. I'm teaching you guys, but this, I think this is a really good project. I think this shit's gonna blow up. Okay, so let me do the fib extension again. Fib extension. Okay, we're gonna go up, swing low. Yeah, so this is more of a different play because you can see like this is more of a longer term. So if you would have got way down here, if you would have drawn this out, like say you caught it right here. I'm not saying to go in here, but look at this. If you would have caught it here, you did some research. Like this isn't just some meme coin, guys. This is like a freaking, this is something way better. It's like a streamer coin. There's utility. There's all kinds of shit. This is not like a typical meme. But like, say you caught it right down there, boom, at 2. You just got like a freaking 15x. But I hope you guys getting some value out of this stuff. This is a different type of style of coin, obviously. But I hope you guys got some valuable information out of this. I hope it helps you become a better trader. And, you know, if you're going to be scalping meme coins and you want to get really good at it, you got to learn how to get into them really early. I don't know how many KOLs. Yeah, see, there's a shitload of KOLs in here. What's funny is like these guys are just coming in like they're just scalping on size. Like there wasn't too many that made like crazy amounts, but like even all these guys, like they just have no patience, man. Like if you would have caught it down here and held, like they don't all have to be scalps. Like some of these can be like conviction plays, right? So you come in here, you research it, you're like, oh, this is going to be the next big thing. You kind of understand it and you can front run the meta, like something that's going to be long lasting because like, look, supporting all streamers, the attention flywheel, you know, something like this is a little bit different than just these like quick little scalp plays. But if you do the math on this, guys, this is like a 300x. Okay. If you can understand like a really good coin, and you understand what's going on. Like, you know, right now on Pump Fund, they have like, you know, all these streamers and stuff. And, you know, this is coming off of, you know, all that same attention with all these streamers with this website. So anyways, guys, get a little long-winded here. I hope you enjoyed it. And definitely make sure that you subscribe. And you guys have a wonderful, blessed day. All right. Peace.